We always get the question from a lot of our crew members that like, oh, hey crew, we love coming to your events, you do great workshops, but like we cannot always be there. So what we do is we also make educational videos that we put on our website and on our YouTube channel. And we've asked Gourmet to do one about like provisioning and some other tips and tricks. We're gonna do five or six videos over the next few weeks, and make sure you're tuned in. They're coming soon. Are you excited about it, Bianca?
Very. We always have a lot of questions from the crew, and this will be a good way to give them the answers.
Fantastic. It's going to be great. And Wendy's here with us. Wendy's going to do the interviews as a former Tustu. Are you excited?
Very excited to hear the tips and tricks of the trade, get your opinions. I'm sure it's going to help a lot of stews and chefs out there.
Here we go. Welcome to another round of Hey Crew videos.